Your first step measures 14 inches, 12 inches, and then 15.5 inches for each step. If you don't want to reach to the top to fold, you simply hold the left button and the left pole and both sides to lower down to a certain degree. On the top, you have cap covers, which are optional hooks to hang up. Check online for further detail about the accessories. The cap simply snaps into place. You have warning labels on a number of steps. Once the ladder is folded down completely, it measures 36 inches for portability and storage. The ladder can be folded and unfolded in a matter of seconds. The ladder is flexible. It bends. The ladder could be twisted over with ease and folded down with ease. Nice handle to carry with. Set up and get up there to clean your panels. The ladder can simply be opened. And climbed on a nice surface. We're going to pick a tab. Going to take a screwdriver and show you how simple it is to replace the tab. Pull it out, grab a new one with the angle facing towards the outway. You're simply going to place on and done. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a portable ladder.